first step in making the jalapeno stuffed poppers, what we're gonna do is core out the jalapeno, and then we're gonna slice these in half. So I'm gonna slice one in half right now to show you how it looks. Okay, here's one jalapeno cut in half. These two are from the same jalapeno. What I did, I got this spoon and I dug it out and drug it across, emptying out the contents into a trash can. Because what I understood about the jalapeno, not only are the seeds hot, but this white piece, the veiny piece I guess, or whatever it's called, is also hot. So if you don't want no heat in there, go ahead and take everything out of there. After we finish doing all the rest of these jalapenos, we'll begin the stuffing process with the cream cheese and the brisket. It's best to rinse them off to make sure you get all the seeds off and everything. Also, after doing this, make sure you don't touch your face or nothing, because the jalapenos, they do have that capsaicin. So if you get it on your face, on your skin, on your eyes, it is gonna burn. So yeah, right now I'm gonna rinse them off, and then we'll start stuffing them up. Here we are, we got everything nice and washed, everything's cleaned up, no more seeds or anything on the jalapenos. Our next step is gonna be to cut up the brisket and the sausage. This brisket, I know it doesn't really look familiar because it's not the same brisket exactly, right? But this brisket was prepared the same way I did the other one, which was a Franklin style, salt and pepper, pecan smoke. Look at that smoke ring, nice. You got the lean part and you got the fatty part there. So yeah, we're gonna chop it up into nice little pieces, because of course you don't want big old chunks inside the jalapenos. And same thing is gonna go for the sausage, nice little pieces, something you can bite off, and then we'll start stuffing them. Here's the brisket and the sausage all chopped up, nice little pieces. Right now I'm gonna put the cream cheese and the jalapenos, and then after that I'm gonna sprinkle some of this meat and the sausage on top of there. I know it looks like a lot, but to be honest with you, I'd rather have too much sausage and too much brisket than not enough. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna start stuffing these little poppers. Make sure you have all hands on deck, including little ones. So yeah, make sure you stuff the jalapenos with cheese, but make sure you leave some room. Don't fill them all the way to the very top. And then put the sausage and brisket, and then we'll start wrapping them up in bacon. Okay, for your next step, we're gonna be wrapping them up in bacon, of course. What I like to do is press the meat into the cheese so it kind of binds with the cheese. And then you get it, place it right there. Get one edge of the bacon and fold it over the top. Place a toothpick. And then just wrap it around. You're gonna wrap it around. Make sure you kind of overlap, give it a little overlap. And then place your two toothpicks. Make sure you get them on both sides. But remember, you're not gonna place these over direct fire because the toothpicks will burn. So what we're gonna do is put them on indirect heat in the smoker to the side, and we're gonna probably bring it up to about a 400-degree temp. Got the stuffed poppers inside the barbecue pit. We're gonna be running a temp of about 350 to 400 degrees. We're running that high because everything else is cooked. The only thing we need to do is get this bacon nice and crispy. Okay, once the poppers look nice and crispy, pull them out the grill and time to serve them. Okay. Here's the plate after taking the little glamour shots, of course. We got nachos on the bottom. Real simple, all it is nachos with cheese, some chopped up brisket and sausage. We got avocado with guacamole actually, some sour cream, and then the poppers on top, which I believe are called armadillo eggs, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, everything looks delicious. So right now I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna tell y'all the little review here after. Man, oh man, how'd you like them armadillo eggs? Man, they were delicious looking, right? I bet y'all wish we had some, what was that, smell-o-vision or taste-o-vision or whatever we saw in those cartoons from back in the day. But yeah, everything on that was pretty good. It was an enjoyable cook, real easy. The only issue is that if you don't have brisket on hand, you would have to either A, buy some or make some. So that's the only issue that you'll have. So say you do make a brisket, just do it however you do it, and then just let it cool down and then use it the following day, or heck, you can use it the same day. But I'm telling you, it's gonna be a long cook. If you do like a store-bought brisket, I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing. I just don't like store-bought briskets because they're kind of pricey and usually the quality isn't there. But other than that, yeah, it's a real good meal. You could use just sausage, strictly sausage. I know H-E-B sells a brand of sausage that has pieces of brisket inside of there. So you could probably go that route and it'll be cheaper, quicker, and you can do it over real quick hours. But yeah, everything on that was pretty good. I enjoyed that cook. It was really nice, really easy. Just something to get done on the weekend. that took no time at all. Would I change anything on that recipe? Nah. Or maybe, no, take it back. I would change something. I would probably use, instead of coring out, slicing the jalapenos in half, I would just core it out and place some materials on the inside. And then a buddy of mine told me, hey, why not use a bell pepper like a little cup? So that's another idea we can use. Chop up the jalapenos, use a bell pepper as a cup, and wrap it in bacon. That'd be awesome. But yeah, other than that, everything else was delicious. I got some other cooks that I'm coming down the pipeline. So yeah, we're gonna keep on rolling forward, keep on cooking. Cause like I said, no recipe is perfect. It's up to us to cook them. If we don't like them, we can change them. Nothing's ever written in stone. So if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video, tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell everybody, tell the dog, hey, Jacob's cooking some videos. He's got some pretty good food. And hey, maybe you can learn a thing or two, or maybe I can learn a thing or two from y'all. Like I said, just keep on going forward. We'll keep on cooking. Until next time, this is Jacob saying peace.